guys, so I'm back with my hair. I know it didn't turn out the way I wanted to, so we're going to do a silk press on my hair now. The dye didn't work, so let's fingers crossed that the silk press works. Yeah guys, so this is my hair. I didn't go to Sally's because Sally's was closed. I'm filming it's in the evenings when I started doing this. Yeah guys, let's see how it turns out. We have to do something with this hair for now. And yeah, I'm going to do a silk press on my failed blonde. My failed blonde. So yeah, I'll put in pictures on how it looks in the light. Yeah guys, what can I do? But yeah guys, without wasting much time, let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm done curling my hair. Look at this. Yeah guys, so I'm done. I'm going to comb my hair now, style my hair. I like my top. Yeah guys, my hair is grown. It looks really nice. I like my me straightening my hair. I'm improving. Look at that. Although I did use high heat, like wow. Oh my god, my hair is grown guys. Oh. Picture, selfie. Okay guys, so thank you for watching the video. So this is the final look. This is how the hair turned out. I'll take a picture in like light. I'm using my new camera, my M200. So I haven't figured out how to do the lighting perfectly, but once I get it done. So yeah, the hair looks okay. I'll try and take it. I'll try and take a picture in a different lighting so that you guys can see how the hair looks like. But the color is orange, like really orange. But I look nice. My hair is grown, so I'm excited about that. Yeah guys, thank you so very much for watching this video. Let me know how I did or what I did wrong. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that next time when I post a new video, you'll be notified. And thank you so very much for watching. Bye-bye.